Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gold in XTB. So here I have my X station opened up and I'm logged into XTB. You come here from the left hand panel, click on my trades, and here click on market watch. You'll see all the different takers, right? All the instruments. You can just search up gold right here, but I have it here showing up, so I'll click on it. And by the way, this is my demo account. You can do this on the real account as well. Same process. Just make sure you have the funds. Then what you do is you find gold and then you just select how many units you want to buy. So you can increase this. Let's say this one is about 179 euros worth. Then you just come here and you click on buy. Okay. And there you go. The trade has been opened. The position has been opened, as you can see. And at any point in time, you can go ahead and close this position and sell it as well. Really that easy, and that is how to do it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.